Loud your voice, Ate. Hi! Hello! What is your name? Alex, how old are you? Great! Okay, are you ready? Go! Thank you so much. Okay. Next, Kuya Saka. Hi! Mas kantingog, hi! Hi! Hello! Pangalan? Edad? Grade? School? Favorite subject? PE. Unsay meaning sa PE? Go! Perform. Dali. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, saon man. Dali. PE. Exercise. Dali. 1, 2, 3, go! Dali, EJ. Dali. Pakpak! Para dili mauwaw si EJ. Dali, EJ. Go! Split na siya tataod. Okay. Go! Happy birthday! Yesu, go!
Happy birthday, Yesu!
What's up? Ay, palihog ko. Mura na kag bumbiro. Okay. Next, come here. What is your name? How old are you? Grade. Are you ready? Go! Happy birthday, Yasi. Okay, thank you so much, ate. Okay, come here, ikaw. And kuya, come here. Okay, face to ate. You are the high score sa boys at ikaw ang high score sa girls. So remove your mask, langga. Thank you so much. Face to face. Eye to eye. Ayun, sasumugaw mo daw. Okay, happy birthday, Yesu. Happy birthday, Yasi. Go!
Happy birthday, Yesu!
O trial pa na ha. O trial pa na. Karon final na. Dapat di ka mohonong. Kung saan na oras, madam?
Ano oras?
Kung saan na oras, madam? 5:13. Dapat maabot og 5:15. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go!